Madam.
Alam mo, so ganito kami sa Baguio. Na ako'y picture sa map. Why? Okay, how's the trek, Miss Tanyaza? Health. I think we are 20,000 above the ground.
112.
Anong 112?
Okay, malayo tayo sa Kabihasnan.
Malayo sa Kabihasnan.
Maraming pano.
Yes. Okay, so we're heading to Mirador Peace Memorial. Ingon si Kuya, malapit na lang daw. So let's see if it's malapit. So we're here at
Strawberry Farm from La Trinidad, Benguet. Come on, guys.
Okay, so we're here at Strawberry Farm in La Trinidad, Benguet.
Ano, nagtuligsik na.
Kalame po sa Diana.
Okay, ato na interview ho ng gikan sa ingana na. Ferris wheel. Right. How was the experience?
Okay lang,
Okay
pero
lang.
my partner is afraid of the height.
Kulang. Another, madam, another.
Another person to interview and give
Pero deng.
comments about her experience. Excited. And then, ngunit ko sa duha ka ba kaya mahadlok sa kusay.
Ay.
Sabi na ko may round 2, round 3,
Round 1 round. So, bitin. Desmayado.
Air conditioning ang good. At least we know. Ato ang 180.
Let's go to Ezem.
How was the Ferris wheel? So far, no thrill.
Now,
Walk around. Actually, like a challenge.
Okay, never mind.